Barari Playground, and then I'm bringing my family here, so I played the indoor play, no, the outdoor play, I mean.
Do you know that he's really excited to give this video introduction? But now, let me take over. We arrived at Barari Playground around 5 p.m. We choose the 2-hour slot from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. This is the last slot of the day, since it closed at 8 p.m. But honestly, I think this is the best timing because the weather is so comfortable. Our journey started from our home. The plan sounded simple, just go to the playground and let the kids play. But as we approached to the destination, the real challenge started. We kept circling around again and again and again. So make sure you save this route here. Don't follow the suggested route by the Google map, and also don't miss this junction. First stop, the dry playground. Initially, from 2-hour slots, we planned for 1 hour each at both dry and wet playground. There were slides, climbing structures, swings, and plenty of space for kids to play.
I'm going to this big playground, and there's lots of lights. Today I'm going to Barari Playground, but I want to play a water slide now.
I have to say this, parents can plan, but kids doesn't care about your plan. He is really love to play with the water. But honestly, this might be the best part, especially when you visit during Dubai heat. So, make sure you bring the extra clothes and towel. Exploring this greenery area make me forget that I am in Dubai. There are lots of trees and flowers that can make you feel calm. There are also plenty rest area for parents to relax while the kids are playing. The swing, the slides, the cafe, and the ponds truly make this playground loved by the families. There is also a hall available for events like birthday party. Now, he is ready for the next area.
Okay, jom.
The Serenity Beach. It has mobile raft and this is perfect for him to spend his unlimited energy.
Okey, Ryan. Nak turun sini.
There is also a ship that kids can climb and be a pirate warrior. Even I also can join the kids on the ship.
Hebatnya. Apa tu dah?
One day you will miss this moment. Before you realize it, your kids will have grown up. And today's playtime will become tomorrow's treasured memories. Until the end, we truly enjoy this playground.
Playground ni ada pool.
Ada pool lagi?
Lagi pun ada boat.
Ada pool.
Dengan ada ship.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I want to climb again.
Want to come again? Okay. All.
If you enjoy this video, go to this video next. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video.